Welcome back. A delegation of the BJP met President of India Pratibhatai Patil in Delhi seeking her intervention in the illegal mining scam case. They have demanded SIT or CBI probe in the scam. BJP claims that this scam is to the tune of 25,000 crore rupees. The delegation was led by National President of the party, Nitin Gadkari.
A delegation led by National President Nitin Gadkari along with State President Lakshmikant Parsekar, Manohar Parrikar, Govind Parvatkar, Francis D'Souza, Vasudev Mengaonkar, Shripad Naik, Narendra Savaikar, Aarti Mehra and Dr. Kirta Somaya met President of India and demanded her intervention in the illegal mining scam.
भारतीय जनता पार्टीच्या ह्या शिष्टमंडळान सगळ्यांसमोर त्या माननीय राष्ट्रपतींच्या समोर जी मागणी केल्ली आसा ती मुख्य की हे इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन आसा ह्या स्कॅमाचें ह्या घोटाळ्याचें जो घोटाळो आमच्या माहिती प्रमाण 25,000 कोटींचो आसा ह्या सगळ्या घोटाळ्याची इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन चौकशी ही स्पेशल इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन टीम हांचे कडेन दिवची ना जाल्यार निदान CBI कडेन तरी हाजी चौकशी करपा खातीर दिवची अशी मागणी भारतीय जनता पार्टीच्या ह्या शिष्टमंडळान राष्ट्रपतींकडे केल्ली आसा.
Lakshmikant Parsekar in telephonic conversation with Prudent informed that the President has assured to look into the matter and if necessary she will hand over the matter to the central government.
ऐकून ती अचंबित झाली आणि मॅटर सिरियस असा हे तिने मान्य केले आणि तिने आपण निश्चित हाचेर ऍक्शन घेतली योग्य ती ऍक्शन घेता अशें आमकां आश्वासन दिलां.
तुम्ही तिच्याकडे ही व्यथा मांडतना गोयच्या राजकारण्यांची खंयच्या काँग्रेसच्या राजकारण्याची वा मिनिस्टरांची बी नांवां तिचे कडेन पावयल्या.
हय हय
कोणाची ती सांगपाक शकता?
हय हय आमी काँग्रेसीचे लिडर जोकी आलेमांव, विश्वजीत राणे, दिनार तारकार, सुभाष शिरोडकार, मागीर एनसीपीचो जितेंद्र देशप्रभू हांची सगळ्यांची नांवां आयिल्लीं आसात भितर.
A reporter in Panji, Basuri Desai and Lokik Shelkar with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
The current mineral reserves in Karnataka could only last for the next 15 to 20 years. This was stated by former Karnataka Lokayukta Justice Santosh Hegde. He says in his first report he had mentioned reserves of 30 years, but it came down to 15 years by the time he prepared second report 2 years later.
On Wednesday, GCCI held a national debate at Makni's Palace. The topic for the debate was more than the government, it is the society, the economy and the culture which can eradicate corruption and terrorism from the scene. Justice Santosh Hegde, Ashok Chowgule, Manohar Parrikar and former Romanian Ambassador Julio Ribeiro spoke for the motion, while Nandini Sahai, Portuguese Consul General Antonio da Costa, Professor Dilip Devbakar and Admiral Arun Prakash spoke against the motion. Noted educationist Prabhakar Timble moderated the debate.
Let me tell you something about what's happened in Karnataka. And I submitted my mining report, the second report. The first report I said, if mining is allowed to continue in the same manner as it's going then, the mineral left over in the state of Karnataka will not last for more than 30 to 35 years. That is not a long period in the life of a country, state. When I submitted my second report after 2.5 years thereafter, based on scientific report, I pointed out that it will not last even for 15 to 20 years. Is it not terrorism?
Bamboo, which is very hard if you hit someone with it, if it is kept outside in the rain for long period, maybe 5-6 years, it deteriorates and becomes a hollow bamboo. Vigilance department today is almost like that. You are going to use a stick which will break the moment you hit it. It's not going to be effective because tomorrow you get an excellent lokpal. In fact, I wanted to communicate to you. Excellent lokpal bill, but then get a very poor lokpal. What happens? You did a great job in Karnataka, but I don't think any other lokpal has been able to do that good job in Karnataka, in their states.
I think that there has got to be a multi-pronged attack from with all the civil society, joining together, because corruption is not going to end with the Lokpal.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Sushant Pearl for Prudent Media.
Society of Indian Radiographers has demanded that the government should form a council to regulate services of radiographer. Society informed that they have received many complaints of poor treatment by the Radiographers Association of Goa. Radiographers will host their 15th national conference in Panji on the 5th and 6th of November.
We have number of proved cases of technologists working on machine who are not given the proper protective barriers, and they are now suffering with blood cancer. Biggest demand is to form a council on national level.
Society claims that there are many radiographers in state who are not qualified. They informed us that they are trying to sort out the issue with the help of government.
Few months ago, some radiographers from GMC and all, they approached us and they said that there are many unqualified people in Goa working as a radiographer, and we requested them to frame a curriculum especially for them, those who are working. And if they pass that curriculum, if they pass that syllabus within a prescribed timing, then they can be regularized as a qualified radiographer. So the government is working on that.
Radiographers Association of Maharashtra and Radiographers Association of Goa will host 15th National Conference of Society of Indian Radiographers. The conference will be held on 5th to 6th November at Kala Akademi. Conference will focus on advanced technology in radiography. More than 15 lectures will be held during this 2 days conference. Our reporter from Panji Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Sunny Narvekar.
Vigilance Awareness Week witnessed heated arguments with people and vigilance officials. Citizens expressed their displeasure over the functioning of the vigilance department in the state. The program at Margaon emphasized on the need of vigilance committees at Panchayat level.
What is the awareness? You are fooling people. Yes, correct.
Awareness is required for whom now? The vigilance of the people.
In South there are many ministers, MLAs, ex-MLAs, ex-ministers. तांच्याकडे इतले assets असे कोण check होतात? आम्ही complaint दिलाय all. Will you check it?
Let it be 25% detail. I don't want you to give 100% detail. But one line complaint, X and Y Z is corrupt. You conduct investigation. We do the investigation. In the end, what happens?
Various other issues were discussed in the program. Social activist Roland Martins emphasized on need for vigilance committees at the Panchayat level.
The vigilance committees to be set up in all the panchayats should be formulated immediately. So soon after the forthcoming elections of panchayat in 2012, every panchayat will have the vigilance committee. As similarly, the audit reports which are being submitted by the accounts department, this audit report can be scrutinized by the citizens themselves, and we have requested that the technical section of the vigilance department can conduct the training program for citizens to effectively put this across.
Guj President Pandurang Gaonkar stressed on better coordination among media and vigilance department.
त्याची बदनामी भरून काढता जर तो निर्दोष सुटला असत तर त्याचे निर्दोष झाल्या आपण व्यवस्थित डॉक्युमेंटेशन करून ती मीडियाक दिवचे आणि सांगचे की बाबा ह्याची बातमी व्यवस्थित येऊ जाय. जाता कितें मीडिया एकदा छापता हेजेर रेड मारली हाजेर इतले पैसे मेळ्ळे म्हणटा पण तो निर्दोष सुटल्या उपरांत त्याची बातमी येना असे बरेच वेळा लोक सांगतात.
Our reporter from Madgaon, Sameer Bhatt.
It's now time for a short break. News from sports when we get back. Stay tuned.